Hey everyone. Well, if you want to uninstall the bloatwares, or I would say anything which is unwanted, you can uninstall it without any hassle. So what you need to do is to download and install the Revo uninstaller. Here we have the Revo uninstaller, and just it's a free version and you can install it. The moment you do that, once it is installed, just do a double click on that. It will ask you to say yes, and the moment you say yes, it will look like this, and here it will scan your computer and you can download the latest version. Right now I will not do that because I'm going to scan. So here you will find all the unwanted and important applications there, and if you want to uninstall anything like Microsoft Edge or Help Center update tool, which you do not need, you can do that. I would not recommend to uninstall any Microsoft Visual C++. However, if you before uninstalling any application, you can check it on internet and then you can uninstall it. It will be better for you, and in this manner you can uninstall anything whichever you want after checking. The best way to uninstall it, just do a right click on that and you will see uninstall, and it will also let you it will also ask you to create a system restore point, because if anything goes bad you can always restore back to the same point. All right, so you can do that, and it is very easy to do so. I will not make the restore point because I am showing the tutorial. And here it is analyzing, and are you sure you want to completely remove Audacity from all its components? Yes. And it will be uninstalled. You just need to click on OK. And now we need to scan for the leftover files, and we can simply select scanning modes, and we will click on scan, and it will scan the whole computer with whatever the files are left over for that particular application. And you just need to select from the top, and you can simply select delete and say yes, and then you can finish. So I can see there are more leftover files are there. We can select it and we can delete that. So this is how you can uninstall the any application completely, and this will be removed from your computer. If you find this tutorial helpful, please hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.